Yes guys, look at my Simoleons, look at this hack. What's up fellas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited points, Simoleons and LP for Sims FreePlay, absolutely free, safe and online guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic guys. It's working perfect on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called iLoop and type in search Sims FreePlay and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our player ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our desired amount of whip, Simoleons and LP. So I will go with this amount. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Sims FreePlay, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, AP connected, so the next step is select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on Freely Go and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute, nothing happens. So let's wait together and let's see what will happen guys. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Whip, Simoleons and LP are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see guys. Yes guys, look at my Simoleons, look at this hack. This is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.